What's up, guys? Today I'll be doing an unboxing of Killzone Mercenary. I picked this up today. This is the release date on September 10th, 2013, and I just picked this up from GameStop for $40 and wanted to unbox it and show you guys. Let's do this. I tried the beta and I loved it, so I'll do some gameplay on this probably some other day. There you go, you got E3 Best PS Vita Game, yeah. 9 massive campaign missions, 8 multiplayer, up to 8 multiplayer battles, 1 player, 200 player MB required. You use the motion sensor, microphone, and rear touchpad. There you go. Here it is. It's just Killzone Mercenary, no booklet, no nothing. There you have it, Killzone Mercenary. I'll be doing gameplay on this video soon. And peace out and see you in the next video, guys.